Right guys, we received the Mercedes G Wagon here. I love the color looks amazing. I think this G Wagon looks really nice, got a red interior. We're going to be repairing the roof because it's got a crease on it and it's got a rust, so that's all we're going to do on this one. But that's pretty much, and keep watching guys. I hope you guys enjoy the car, and that's pretty much. I'll see you soon. Okay guys, the G Wagon is complete. We repaired the roof, as you see, like a new roof. We repaired all the rust and it's ready to go. So I'm just waiting for the customer to pick it up, and that's pretty much. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you on the next video.